you seen in the video that of the fidgets that I'll cut at.
So she's gonna cut them.
So yeah, this one was 1 like. So let's cut it. Oh, this is so sad. I got this one from Mr. Gaddy's.
Oh, that's it. All right, record me. Oh, those things are durable. Oh my gosh. In the trash.
Okay, so now
We're gonna be cutting that one. We got 25 likes or something like that.
Yeah,
no, it was 5 likes because this was 25 likes.
Oh,
you can still glue it together. We never said we couldn't glue it together. Oh, here, hold it. It's actually really cool looking. Oh, that's so smooth looking. Well, it isn't, but it's funny. Oh, dead bunny. Oh. All right, we got 25 likes. We're gonna be cutting this one. Dude, hold on. Oh, pimple, smell it.
it doesn't smell like
Oh, it doesn't smell. Ew. Who got the cheese?
Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this splat ball. Here we go.
Oh! I wonder. Oh, it smells like Bella. And last one.
No, that one was so good.
You chose it. Now we gotta stab it. I'm not gonna do that because, actually, you know what? I'll make sure I be careful. We are trained professionals. Now we open up the scissors. Oh, they're done.